Take a look at this stunning build. I am in love with this car. It's a 1970 GTO Ram Air Tribute build. The original build was 10 years ago. It was a complete frame off, and the floor pans and frame are absolutely spotless. If you want to put mirrors at a car show, you can do it with this car. It then went through a second build in 2020. 461, 500 horsepower, 550 foot-pounds of torque to the rear wheels. And yes, I got the dyno sheets to prove it. It also comes with a complete build of the engine, so you know exactly what every part is in this car. It's mated to a 200R transmission that is rated to over 700 horsepower. So you can get on this car and never worry about the transmission. It has the Pontiac 10 bolt with 355-to-1 gear ratio, limited slip. This car is rock solid when you drive it. It doesn't make one noise of squeak or anything from the body or the suspension when you drive it. You'll absolutely fall in love with this car. Take a close look at the details. There's no flaws in the interior. It is an older paint, but it shows very, very nice. All the chrome was redone when they did the frame off, so the bright work and the chrome is in excellent condition. As you see, there's no marring in the seats. The material is all very nice. The doors are spotless. They are really nice. I like this car. All the jams have been done. Your scuff plates are all new. There is no bubbling or rust of any kind on this car. Again, take a closer look at the trunk. Very, very clean. I do like this. Pull back the floor mat. That is only the slightest of surfaced rust. It's only from moisture. If you don't like it, a little Brillo pad and a little bit of scrubbing, you can take it right off there. Now, take a close look at the paint. All the rubber, everything on the car is very, very nice. This has been well taken care of. You should be proud to own this car. Give you a closer look at the engine build. That is the 461. You can see the fuel injection. Remember, this is 500 horsepower with 555 foot-pounds of torque. The ram air is functional. Very, very rare option.